right now I am on the rooftop. I have wrapped up my duty for today, and as soon as I finish my duty, I change my uniform. I put on the normal clothes. Then I grabbed my all the required things, and immediately I jumped on the rooftop. And here I am recording the video in front of the camera. See who is sitting beside me? My one and only friend, Mr. Shaiju.
From
Yes,
India.
from India. Yes, guys, I am from Pakistan. He is from India. So, guys, before going further in the video, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Wasim. I am from Pakistan. Currently, I am living in Dubai to earn bread and butter for my family, guys. Guys, I am a beginner. I must say that I started speaking from the scratch, but I have to become fluent in this language. So that's what I have take this. I made up my mind that every day I have to record the video in front of the camera. This is also part of that rehearsal. So guys, today as Shaju bhai is sitting beside me, so we will just ask simple question from each other. I am not going to ask any difficult question from Shaju bhai. So we are friends, so that's what we are going to discuss, like what we do here and how is life here in Dubai. Shaju bhai, is it okay for you?
Yeah, now this is okay.
Shaju bhai,
But,
actually he doesn't want to sit here beside me, but I just requested him that you have to sit beside me only for a few minutes because he was on the duty. I must say that he is tired, guys, but still I made a request and he accepted my request. Thank you, Shaju sir.
Okay, ji. Welcome.
Welcome. So, Shaju bhai, I need to ask you, like, how long have you been working in Dubai?
I think maximum 30 years.
33, 30 or 13?
13.
13.
30 years.
13. Okay.
years.
Oh, Shaju bhai has been working here in Dubai.
Sometimes it's cancel going and coming back, and after going to cancel like this.
Okay. Like, we can say that on and off. You work here few years and after that you cancel the visa. You went back to India again. You got the visa and you have come back.
Like that.
Like that, guys. So guys, as far as my concern, it's been almost 8 years I am working in Dubai because we can say that it is the, guys, sweet prison or sweet jail, because whenever you come here and after that every 2 years what we think that we have to go back to our home country. But guys, when in between something happens, so again we have to renew the visa. Same thing happens with me, same thing happen with everyone. Like, we want to stay back to our country, but sometimes we find it really difficult, so we cannot go back just because of few problems. So every time problem come across, we say that okay, this time we have to renew. After 2 years we have to go back, and this system is going on with us. It's been long time. I don't know how long we have to stay with this system. So Shaju bhai, what is your job in Dubai here?
Maintenance section for
Yeah.
plumbing. I am a plumber.
Yeah, Shaju bhai is not a plumber, guys. Shaju bhai is like, he is a I can say multi technician. He knows each and everything related to electricity, like, and this plumbing, everything.
My trade is plumbing.
Yeah, his trade is plumbing, but after that he learned everything. Now he is working here in the building, so that's what I think he is finding it really convenient for him, because this thing, like, we can say that runs our family bread and butter. Apart from our family, we can also happy what to do, guys. This is the part of life. Shaju bhai, how is Dubai?
Dubai is very good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Dubai is very beautiful, guys. We can see the Burj Khalifa over there.
money have our hand. Very good.
Yes, exactly, guys. When you have money, everything is beautiful here. Even we can see the Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is over there, exactly front of our eyes. It is far away from here, but guys, I think I have been working here for 8 years, I must say. But in those 8 years, I have been to Burj Khalifa only 1 or 2 times. I went there, and after that I did not go. Every time You know, every time we think that we have to go, we have to visit somewhere in Dubai, but we cannot go because our duty time is too tough, 12-hour duty. After that we feel very fatigued, we feel very tired, and we cannot do anything after the duty. What do you say, Shaju bhai? Like once in a week, how many days do you get day off in a week, Shaju bhai?
Weekend, one day off.
1 day off. And the maintenance company, guys, as I am working in the security sector, so in the security sector, guys, it depend on the companies. So if your company is stable, if your company is like LLC or larger company, so in that company you will be able to take day off, or they will arrange the day off for you. But if your company is like if a smaller company, so at that time you cannot expect them that they will give you day off, right, Shaju bhai?
Yes.
So Shaju bhai, your job is really tough. Shaju bhai job description. So throughout the day, he has to work here and there. He doesn't have any particular place to set as we have. So that's what I think. You know, the Dubai government and their company is like giving them this favor that once a week you have to take day off,
Yes.
right, Shaju bhai?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Shaju bhai, when are you going
I
back to
don't know,
India?
so maybe my visa finish after I going back.
Visa
Yes,
Like-
maybe renewal also.
renewal. You will renew the visa.
I thinking to renew.
Renew. Yeah, Saju bhai, we cannot do anything. Yeah, we have to renew. Actually, we don't have any other resources. We don't have anything else. So that's what we have to renew the
Related
visa.
to the family issue. like-
Yeah, yeah, exactly, Shaju bhai. We are here just because of family. So we have to make them happy. No problem. What
Yes,
to do?
yes.
What to do,
Yeah,
guys?
happy now.
Even I was planning to go on the vacation, but just because of few problems, people, those are back to home country. What they think, we are earning a lot of money here. We are just, you know, plugging the money from the trees. Shaju bhai, they think that money grows on the tree, but this is not the reality.
Yes.
Yes, Shaju bhai, it takes
This
like
is
you are.
reality.
This is not reality, Shaju bhai. Money doesn't grow on the tree, Shaju bhai. What do you say, Shaju bhai? It is really difficult to earn the money here, guys. It is not as easy as people think. You know, you have to burn the midnight oil. You have to sometimes bite the bullet. I can say that you have to walk on the burning ember. So after that, you get the salary. Otherwise, company won't give you salary as easily as we think. This is the life here in Dubai. What to do, guys? We have to survive. We have to struggle because life is the name of constant struggle. And right now, my motto is to become fluent in this language. So Shaju bhai is helping me a lot. Otherwise, you know, guys, I recorded videos several times and immediately I deleted. But ever since Shaju bhai sat beside me, so I am feeling confident. I am speaking confidently, little bit I must say, because this is the time-taking process, guys. I cannot say that in 1 day or in 1 month or you know in few days I become fluent. So Shaju bhai, here you know why I am recording the video, so that I can learn how to speaking this language. I am learning how to speak English.
Yes.
So is it good or no, Shaju bhai?
This is good.
This is
This is
good.
good experience for our future.
Yes, Shaju bhai. Yes, Shaju bhai. You are right, Shaju bhai. Actually, English is not our mother language.
Yes.
You know, our mother language is totally different.
Yeah,
When
totally
we
different.
speak in our mother language, so tune, everything is totally different.
Yes.
So to learn English, we have to learn a lot of things like vocabularies,
Yeah.
sentence, prepositions, all these things we have to learn.
Yes.
What do you say, Shaju bhai?
We
No problem, Shaju bhai. Say no problem. No problem. Don't shy, Shaju bhai, in front of the camera. No problem, Shaju bhai. This is not our mother tongue. Don't need to feel shy. I am also learning, Shaju bhai. You can also learn.
we also
Right.
learning.
Yeah, we are
learning
also-
how can speak to English.
Yeah.
Speak or spoke.
No, speak. Yeah, speak is the speak. Yeah, it's like first form of the verb.
This is first time in front of the camera in Basir.
Yeah, so that's what Shaju bhai is like, you know, hesitating a lot because it's been Shaju bhai first time he sit beside me So I am feeling confident, but Shaju bhai, he's feeling nervous because to face the camera sometimes when you are not familiar with the camera, so it's become really difficult. So guys, and we have to learn a lot of things. We have to record the video every day. Definitely we will record the video, but for today it was not our planning. It was without preparation we recorded this video. Shaju bhai immediately he appeared from somewhere, and I just requested him to sit beside me, and we started recording the video. This was without preparation, guys. We did not prepare anything to record this video, but next time we will come with the preparation. And Shaju bhai, I will also tell him that he needs to come and sit beside me. So for today, guys, I am going to wrap up this video here. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.